Hey guys, Anthony here with an overview of DesignBeast, which is a multi-purpose web-based design suite. And this suite includes 6-in-1 graphic design and animation apps. If you haven't yet, I'd encourage you to watch my review video to learn more. So I'm logged into my DesignBeast account. I'm in the dashboard area. Let me scroll down. So this is where you'll find all the apps you have access to. And if I scroll further down, you can see that I have more apps here. Now what you see here may not be the same as what you see in your dashboard because I have access to some of the upgrades. So let me scroll back up. To access an app in the suite, for example this all-in-one design and mockup engine, click on the blue arrow button and it'll open the app. Each app will look a bit different. This is one of the more extensive apps, but the overall concept is pretty similar. You have these menu items at the top. The home menu will take you to the home page of the specific app. Training and support I'll cover in a moment. And the dashboard menu item takes you back to the main DesignBeast dashboard. Similarly, if I access this Slick Image Editor app by clicking this blue arrow button, you can see that this app looks a bit different because it's an image editor, but it has similar menu items at the top. And if I click on the dashboard menu item, it takes me back to the main DesignBeast dashboard. I'll be creating separate tutorials to show you how to use many of these apps. In the sub-user section, you can add up to 5 users, however this one is one of the upgrades. Under My Projects, you can access your saved project files, which are categorized by respective apps. Under Purchases, it will display all your purchases. And if you click on Training, it'll open a separate tab where you'll be able to access training videos for each of the apps. Going back to the main dashboard, if you click on Support, again it'll open a new tab where you can email support. Let me go back to the main dashboard. Under News and Updates, you'll find information on any news and updates regarding DesignBeast. If you click on the bell icon in the top right corner, it'll display notifications. And finally, if you click on your profile icon, it'll display your email address. You can access training and support here, and finally log out of DesignBeast. But that's pretty much it. DesignBeast is available at a special low one-time price during launch. Check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this DesignBeast overview helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.